In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your name longer in Stumble Guys. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works if you are playing on your computer or if you are playing on your phone, doesn't matter. First thing you need to do is come on your name right here at the top left corner and click on this pencil to change your name. Now, for example, if you click right here, enter text, if your name is, for example, text, to change your name, you just need to click right here, and to make your name longer, you just need to make your name longer. So for example, I will put 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I click OK, I can change my name. Okay, so I will click right here, and I changed my name to this longer name. Okay, if you click right here again, you need to pay this amount of gems, okay, 100 gems to change your name again. Okay, you can change your name as many times as you want, but you need to pay the gems. I hope I help you out to make your name longer in Stumble Guys. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.